Sorry I haven't got the chance, fans. But don't touch that dial. Another Master Designs project is up and running. Tonight we're going to draw Pteromon from Digimon Fusion. Pteromon is one of the, he wasn't really one of my favorites for the Bogger Army. I don't really consider him as one of my top favorite Digimon. I know he's supposed to be related on a pterosaur, but to be honest, I didn't pick this one to be one of my complete favorite dinosaur ones at all. Anyways, let's change the topic while we talk about this. The reason I decided to draw this character is to talk about what things have changed since 2022. First of all, Season 5 of PJ Masks really sucked. One reason is that, Luna blames Matsuki for, first of all, Matsuki hasn't really apologized for making Luna drop her crystals, and Matsuki blames her, and she got kicked off the moon. Luna wants to get back at her ever since, but I've been told that on Season 5 on PJ Masks, coming in September, we see this new episode called Moon Maroons. We finally get to see Luna and Matsuki make up. Oh yeah, we've waited a long year to see that. Another thing involves, I don't know what I was going to say, but I know that was the worst part of Season 5. But we got to see a few new characters like Pirates Robot, Ortisha, the Speed Twins, those machine thieves, and new animal pals. Hopefully the PJ Masks upgrade will get even better. Hopefully Luna and Matsuki don't argue like that again. To be honest, Season 5 was really the worst one of all. I mean, we didn't get to see the Wolfie kids in that series. And, we didn't get to see our Ortisha as much. And, let's see here. What else? What else? I've always wanted to know when the newest episode of Camp Coral was being released. Well, we got to see Middlemost Post back in action, huh? And they often change the theme song. Another thing is, you want to know the worst thing about Pokemon? I know that we haven't seen the latest episode of PJ about Pokemon Master Journeys just yet. Maybe they only release it one at a time. Another thing, I know we got to see Lily come back in Pokemon Master Journeys, but Lily's not really the best character. One reason is, in the first series, she was scared of touching Pokemon, and, she felt unsure when she lost her mother to Nihilego, and then, she tried to go at it alone, but that failed. Then the Ultra Guardians show up. She had her doubts at first. She probably thought it was a bad idea. To call it a bad idea. And, she actually has no potential at all. And to be honest, I don't really like Lily at all. She has no potential. I think she's useless. And, probably better off, instead of erasing her memory, Faba probably should have destroyed her. As in, used a Thunderbolt attack to destroy her. If I ever have a series, I'll have one of my characters kill her, and she ends up turning into an evil yokai, wishing for humans and Pokemon to stop being friends and end up destroying the universe. But actually get destroyed by all the Pokedigi and Yokai joining forces, killing Lily in the process. Let's see, what else do I know? I'm still waiting for new episodes of The Amazing World of Gumball to come out. I just wish that show would have more seasons. Another thing, I want them to have more, I want them to have another movie based on it. And, well, I hope that Ben 10 comes back with another movie as well. Another thing is that Dragon Ball Super is going to have a new TV series coming out in 2023. I hope it comes out in 2023. Actually, well, they have this movie coming out on the 19th. I'm going to watch that as soon as possible with my buddy Nick, and I'll tell you how good it goes. A lot of problems with my devices, which is why I can't upload thumbnails or screen or connect my videos together. Let's just say it sucked. But I might get the chance to fix it up and probably get things up and running once again. Anyhow, that's how you draw a pteromon. Another thing is that, well, I hope we see Pokemon Ultimate Journeys come out soon. There are still a few Pokemon I want to see go catch. I heard that Ash actually catches Ho-Oh. It's probably true, though. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. And good night.